Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this makeup look for you. I played around with color today. I decided to go for the color yellow. Yellow has been really big lately. It's like a huge trend right now. Yellow clothes, yellow makeup. So I really wanted to do something yellow, and I've been wanting to play around with this color for a while. This is actually my first time ever applying yellow eyeshadow on my eyelids ever in my life. So I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I want to play around with color more often. So I did a yellow makeup look today. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So this is a very simple eye look. I am first applying this Ulta Full Coverage Concealer to act as a primer for my eyelids. I always like to use a concealer over primer just because I want that extra coverage on my eyelids. And to set, I am using a banana powder from this contour palette by LA Colors. And I'm just setting my eyelids with this banana shade. Now I'm taking this BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It's so colorful and beautiful, and there's yellow shades in here, so these are the shades that I'm using. So first I'm taking this bright yellow shade and I'm applying that all over my eyelid. And I'm just packing the shade right on my eyelid. Now I'm applying this orange toned yellow shade, and I'm sticking that right in the crease and blending it out just so it can have a nice transition. Now I'm applying this bright orange shade, and I'm applying that right in the crease just to give a little bit more dimension to my eye look. And now I'm applying liquid eyeliner. I'm just doing a simple line. I'm not winging it out or anything. I've just been loving not winging out my eyeliner lately. It's just my favorite look so far. So I am just doing a simple line. For mascara, I'm taking the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, and I'm coating my lashes with that. And then I'm applying falsies. These are the Miss 3D Volume Lash in M301. Now we are starting on the face. I am going to prime my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I have this little sample size. I don't apply this everywhere just because I don't want it all over my face. I just want it on my T-zone area and where I have my smile lines. For foundation, I'm going to take the LA Colors Radiant Foundation in the shade Medium Tan. I haven't tried this foundation out, so I'm going to try it out today and see if I like it. I did try out the Truly Matte Foundation, and you guys, I love that foundation. It's so good. And I've heard good things about this foundation. It's like people like it or people hate it, but I'm excited to try it out. So again, this is in the shade Medium Tan, and I'm just going to dot this all over my face. I'm hoping this matches me. It's crazy because the Truly Matte Foundation is more orangey based, and this one is more on the pinky side, and I don't like my foundation to be too pink, but we're just gonna go with it. This does have a scent. It's a really weird scent. I don't even know how to describe it. It smells clean. I don't know, it smells like a doctor's office, which is crazy. I don't really like the smell, but I'm hoping it won't linger. You can see that it's oxidizing a little bit on my skin already, so hopefully it's not too crazy. For a sponge, I'm using the new Sonia Kashuk Beauty Blender. I'm really excited to try this out. I heard really great things about this beauty blender, and I got it at Target, and it comes with a set of 2, which I was really happy about. And I love this marble pattern. It's so cute. So I put this under the sink, and you guys, this thing got huge. Look at it compared to the one in the box. Here is my beauty blender compared to it, you guys. This is massive. Really love the flat end to it. More of a luminous foundation. I do need a little bit more coverage, so I'm going to apply some right here on my cheeks. Blend it out. Yeah, this scent is like, ugh, I don't like the smell of this foundation. The coverage is not full coverage, so just to let y'all know, it's not a full coverage foundation. It's more on the medium side. I did build it up a little around my cheeks, and it feels really weird on my skin. I don't know if I'm like having a reaction to it, but it's kind of itchy, which is not good. For concealer, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I really, really like this concealer. A lot of people hate it for some reason, but I actually really like it. So I'm going to apply this under my eyes. To set my concealer, I'm going to take this Milani translucent powder in the shade 03 Banana. If you're on the lookout for a nice banana powder from the drugstore, this is awesome. I really, really, really like this stuff. So far I'm loving this sponge. This is so nice. I didn't use it to apply my under eye powder just because I wanted something a little bit smaller to really go right in there under my eyes. So I didn't use this for the powder, but for foundation and concealer, you guys, this is amazing. This is actually better than the Beauty Blender, I would say. It feels really, really nice and squishy. So y'all need to get y'all's hands on this Sonia Kashuk sponge. I really love that it has the flat edge too, so I can just sit it there without it rolling off or anything, so I really, really like that. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Better Skin powder in the shade Warm Nude. I'm just going to set the rest of my face with this powder. And the brush that I'm using is the Sonia Kashuk brush. This was from a collection during the holidays, I believe, and I love how big this is. It's really, really nice to set your face with it with the powder. I'm going to go ahead and dust off the powder under my eyes. So now I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to take the e.l.f. Brow and Liner Cream in the shade Medium Brown. And I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows off camera just because I think this part is a little bit time consuming. To bronze up my face, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Saddle. And I'm using the BH Cosmetics 108 brush. This is a really nice brush for bronzing. A lot of y'all know that I love to use my e.l.f. blending brush. I think that's what it's called. It doesn't have the name on it anywhere. I think it's called Ultimate Blending Brush or something like that. This is really nice for bronzing as well. Sometimes I like to switch it up with the BH Cosmetics brush. So today I'm going to use this one. Before I get into the rest of the face, I'm going to go ahead and finish off the eyes. I'm going to go back to the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to go in with this orangey toned yellow shade. I'm going to apply this right on my lower lash line. I'm going to take a little bit of this orange shade and again run that through my lower lash line. I'm going to apply some mascara to my lower lashes. This is the CoverGirl, the Super Sizer Fibers Mascara. And I love this mascara for my lower lashes. I don't particularly like this mascara for my upper lashes because it's a little bit too clumpy for my upper lashes. But for my lower lashes, this mascara is amazing. So I really, really like this for my lower lashes. I'm going to go ahead and apply this. Contour my face, I'm going to take this LA Colors I Love Makeup contour palette. Yet I cannot put it down. Ever since I used it in my previous video, I've just been really, really, really loving this palette. So I'm going to apply this. I'm going to apply a mixture of these two shades right here. And to contour my nose, I'm taking this shade. I am going to pick up a little bit of this banana shade to put under my eyes just to brighten up my under eye area a little bit more. For blush, I'm actually trying out something new. This is the Juvia's Place, the Saharan Volume 2 palette. I actually just got this in the mail, and I'm so excited to use this. So this is so beautiful. I've been wanting this blush palette for a really, really long time, and they were having a sale the other day, which this turned out to be like around $11 or something like that. So I decided to just go ahead and get it because I've been wanting it for a while, and I don't have that many blush palettes in my collection, so I decided to get this one. So it's so pretty. I don't even want to touch it. It's just so beautiful. Like, look at the beautiful colors. So there's 6 shades, and each of these shades look like shades that I would use on the daily. So I'm really excited to try this. So I'm going to pick up a little bit of this shade called Tau. I'm going to tap off the excess because these are really pigmented. I am going to pick up a little bit of this shade right here, which is called Yara. This is more of the bronzy blush. I am going to apply a little bit of this Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade 05 Soleil. This is my holy grail bronzer. Honestly, it's not a crazy bronzer. It's just a little bit of shimmer. That's why I want to use it today, because I do want a little bit of shimmer on my face. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of this all over my face. So before I apply highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water. This stuff smells so good. I'm going to go ahead and spritz this all over my face. Spritz this all over my face. To highlight my face today, I'm going to go in with the Morphe X Bretmanrock palette. And for brush, I'm going to go in with the Morphe M510 brush. And I'm going to take the shades Mahu. And I'm also going to use Get Laid on my nose. And I'm also going to be taking the shade Mahu and highlighting my inner corner with it. I'm also going to be highlighting my brow bone with this shade. Last part, which are lips. I am of course taking the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip liner in the shade Chestnut. You guys know how much I love this lip liner. This is my holy grail lip liner. It goes with every lip color. I just really love how universal this lip liner is. It's just perfect, and I really love the way my lips look with this lip liner. It makes my lips look a little bit bigger, you know? So I'm going to line my lips with this lip liner. So for the rest of my lip color, I'm going to go in with this Lorac Alter Ego lipstick in the shade Centerfold. So the lip color is a little bit light, but I am going to go in with a lip gloss. This is the Soap & Glory Sexy Mother Pucker lip gloss in the shade Bare Enough. And I'm going to apply this right on top. Alright, so I realized that I was missing something, and I realized that I was missing something in my waterline. So I always have to have a black eyeliner pencil in my waterline or a nude one. So I am going to go in with a nude color. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream color. You can use this as an eyeliner or as a full-on base for your eyeshadow, but I like to use mine for an eyeliner, and I like to use this in my waterline. So I'm going to go ahead and take some of this with a thin brush. This is the finished makeup look. I'm really loving this look. Honestly, I've never tried yellow eyeshadow on my eyes before, and I'm really loving it. So I'm just living for the whole yellow trend right now. Yellow is actually one of my favorite colors. It's actually my second favorite color. Teal being one of them, and yellow is my second favorite. I mean, anytime you see something yellow, you just feel like happy inside. I don't know, at least to me. So I'm really loving the whole yellow trend, and I'm really happy with how this look turned out. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what other colors you would like to see me try out, do a tutorial on or something. Leave me a different color down below. I definitely want to play around with color more often. I don't really play around with color every now and then. I usually just stick to the neutral shades and stuff, but I want to step out of my comfort zone, so I want to do a different color. So leave me a comment down below letting me know what color you would like to see me do next. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.